How to add custom location on Snapchat. First, open Snapchat on your device and then you want to click a little picture. After this, you want to tap on this icon right here. Once you do, you need to tap on location. So from here, you can obviously search and add the location. But let's say that the location you are searching for or the location that you want to add is not available over here. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down and here you will find suggest a place. Simply tap on it. And over here you need to add the name of the place that you want to suggest. You also have to enter the category. So whether it's a hotel, cafe, gym, you simply have to tap on the category. And after this, you need to fill up this address. So here you need to enter the exact address and then add the phone number or website and then hours as well. You can also choose to add photos by tapping on add photos. After this, you need to tap on the submit button, and once you do that, Snapchat will review it and they will allow you to add this custom location. And that is how you can add custom location on Snapchat. We hope you guys found this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.